What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I just wanted to push some more content out there for you guys because my channel has gained 33% more subscribers in a matter of 6 months. That is a lot of growth, so I'm going to continue to push out more content for you guys. Today we're in track mode. It's a little bit wet outside, so just pray for me. But I wanted to get a little bit more content for you guys, so just got off of work. I usually only post YouTube videos on the weekend, but no excuses. All right, so my question right now is, will it hook? Nope. No, it won't. Hey, so if you guys are wondering what kind of tires I have Continentals for the front and back. I have the Continental Extreme Contact DWS06 for the back. The width is 295, and then the width for the front is 275. But for the front, my Continentals are the Control Contact. So it's a pretty good setup. I daily drove this thing in the winter last year. I actually got this car when I was 20 years old. I'm 21 now. It's actually been a year with this car since July. So I've officially spent a year with this car. Also, what do you guys think about what Dodge is doing right now with their electric Charger Daytona? Let me know down in the comments. My opinion is I'm just happy that Dodge is still about doing performance cars. Calling it a muscle car, that's subjective. I don't know, I guess, but it doesn't have a Hemi. We need a modern Hemi. See if it'll hook. It did. Guess my tires just needed to warm up a little bit. I don't know. I do want to build this car up someday. I really want to put a 3.0 Whipple on this thing and get all-wheel drive somehow. Like if I could track hawk swap this Charger and wide body it, that would be awesome. Before I go, let me know in the comments what type of videos you guys want to see next. Until then, just some POV drives. I'm going to be uploading shorts every day. That's all I ever do on this channel, is upload shorts, and I do that so that I can reach more people. So thank you guys for sticking around to the end of the video. Comment anything you want me to do. I'll be able to get back to each and every one of you guys, because this channel is still very small. So I'll get back to every single one of you guys. Leave a comment about anything you want. See you guys in the next one.